Welcome to my channel, Practical Wisdom for All. Here is an exciting subject I would like to share with everyone. Life is not measured solely in years, but in moments lived and dreams fulfilled. For countless Filipino immigrants who left their homeland for countries like the United States, Australia, and Canada, there exists a common dream: to return home one day to live out their golden years in the land of their birth. Yet too often, this dream remains just that, a dream deferred until it fades beyond reach. Thousands of Filipinos leave their homeland every year to pursue better opportunities abroad. They carry with them hopes for financial security and a vision to one day return home triumphantly, having built a better life for themselves and their families. Many already have ancestral homes or inherited land waiting for them, pieces of their heritage preserved in time. The pattern is familiar. Work hard in a foreign land, save money, plan for retirement at 65 or 67, and then return home to live out the remainder of their years in comfort. It seems like a perfect plan on paper. But life, as many discover too late, rarely follows our carefully laid plans. I'll go back when I have enough saved. I'll return once my children finish college. I'll move back after I receive my full pension. I just need a few more years. These are the mantras of postponement, the comfortable lies we tell ourselves to justify delaying our dreams. The perfect time becomes an ever-moving target, always just a few years away, requiring a little more preparation. The story of Manuel Santos serves as a powerful warning. After working 35 years as a nurse in Chicago, he finally retired at 67, ready to return to his hometown in Batangas. He had everything planned: a beautiful house built over the years, savings carefully accumulated, and family waiting to welcome him home. But within 2 years of his return, health issues emerged. The energy he had counted on to enjoy his retirement had diminished. The dreams of tending to his garden, traveling to nearby provinces, and reconnecting with old friends became increasingly challenging to fulfill. Manuel's story is not unique. Statistics show that health issues increase significantly after age 65, with many retirees facing reduced mobility and energy levels, chronic health conditions, difficulty adapting to significant lifestyle changes, depression from unrealized dreams, and challenges in building new social connections. Consider the story of Elena Rodriguez, who boldly decided to return to the Philippines at 52. After 20 years in Canada, she had saved enough for a modest but comfortable life. Though her pension would be smaller, she calculated that the lower cost of living in the Philippines would compensate. Today, at 60, Elena runs a small bed and breakfast in Palawan, has the energy to travel and explore her homeland, has built strong community connections, enjoys better health through active living, and has time to pursue hobbies she never could abroad. The ideal age range of 50 to 55 for return migration offers several advantages. Still young enough to adapt and build a new life, typically has accumulated sufficient savings. Children are often independent by this age. Health and energy levels remain relatively high. Early enough to develop new social networks, and time to start small businesses or pursue passions. Making the move earlier requires careful planning. Calculate living costs in the Philippines. Consider healthcare options and insurance. Plan for passive income streams. Budget for regular visits to children abroad. Account for potential business ventures. Understand pension and social security implications. Returning home isn't just about finances and timing. It's about reconnecting with cultural roots, building new relationships while maintaining old ones, finding purpose in the next phase of life, contributing to the local community, and creating a legacy. Questions to ask yourself: what am I waiting for? How much is enough? What opportunities am I missing by waiting? What brings me joy, and can I pursue it now? How can I balance security with living my dreams? Practical steps for those considering early return. Start planning 3 to 5 years before the intended return. Make exploratory visits to potential locations. Build local connections before moving. Develop skills that can be useful in the Philippines. Create a detailed timeline and stick to it. Life offers no guarantees. The perfect time exists only in our minds, while the present moment holds all the potential we need. The choice to return home isn't about waiting for everything to be perfect. It's about having the courage to pursue our dreams while we still have the energy and health to enjoy them fully. Your ancestral home, inherited land, and dreams of return call not to some future version of yourself, but to who you are today. The question isn't whether you'll have enough when you're 67. The question is, what memories and experiences are you missing out on by waiting until then? The time to live your dreams is now, while you have the vitality to embrace them fully. Tomorrow is promised to no one, but today is yours to seize. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to give a thumbs up.